A very good morning to all my friends, respected principal and teachers. My name is Bhumika Kandpal from class 7th Rose. I congratulate all of you on the celebration of 72 Republic Day of India. On this day, we become a republic country from the dominion of Britishers on 26 January 1950. Britishers ruled the country for about 150 years. After a lot of struggle and efforts by Indian freedom fighters and leaders, India finally got independence on 15 August 1947. After getting independent, there were still some things and rules that need to be changed, which were applied by Britishers. In short, India needs its own constitution. Constitution of India is written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and it was approved by our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. From 26 January 1950, India started to follow the Constitution and its rules. There are about 380 articles in our Constitution. Each article defines the different things. Today, India is one of the top most developed country in the world. From last 50 years, India is the fastest progressive country all over the world. Today, we should pledge to our motherland to make our country corruption-free, poor-free. About billion people in India lives with unity and with same thoughts. This makes India a great country. Today, India is best in the fields of education, research and development, science and technology, industrialization, stock market, automobiles, etc. This development and progress is just because today India is a republic country. Let's take a pledge to be responsible for Indian citizen development, need and our country's development. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you.
Good morning to my respected principal, madam and all my dear friends. I would like to say thank you to you to give me such a great opportunity to speak something on the day of Republic Day. My name is Vanshraj Singh from class 7th Lotus. Today we all are here to celebrate 72 Republic Day of our nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should greet each other and pray to God for the development and prosperity of our nation. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January as Constitution of India became into force at this day. We are regularly celebrating Republic Day of India since 1950. On 26 January in 1950, India Constitution came into force. India is a democratic country where public is authorized to elect its leader to lead the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Since we got independence from the British rulers in 1947, our country has developed a lot of counted among the powerful countries together with some developments, some drawbacks have also arisen such inequality, prosperity, unemployment, poverty, corruption, illiteracy, etc. We need to take a pledge today for solving such problems in the society to make our country a best country of the world. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Republic Day.